to know my top 5 free apps I use in creating my content and make my workflow easier? In this video, I share with you my top 5 go-to apps and you can start using them today. So just for disclaimer, this video is not a sponsored video. This is me just sharing the 5 tools I love to use because it really makes my job easy and fast. The number 1 on my list is Canva. So now, perhaps all of you are familiar with Canva, but you know there are some specific feature Canva offers that really make a lot of things easy for me. Okay, you know, with the Canva app, you can either use the free version or you subscribe and pay some certain amounts to unlock more feature and use more of their templates and all that. So I use Canva personally to create my thumbnail. I use Canva to do a lot of things, do my logos and so on and so forth. So Canva is a great tool, especially if you are a beginner. It's very easy to use. The surface is very easy to understand. Okay, if you have a picture that you want to use with a paid version on Canva, you can be able to remove the backgrounds, edit the picture, make it look nice. So Canva definitely is one of the apps I love to use, although there are other apps you can use in creating your thumbnail, okay? So the app that I love to use is the Restream software. Now, most of you know Restream software as a streaming software, but what you don't know is that the Restream software can be used for so many things, okay? As a matter of fact, I am recording this video right now with my Restream app. I'm recording this video right now from my laptop with my Restream account, okay? So Restream has a lot of features that you can use to your advantage, okay? So with Restream software, you'll be able to record your long form video. You'll be able to add your logo, your brand logo, as you can see on this video. You'll be able to add, you know, different type of things easily to your video, okay? And also it reduces the stress of you having to, you know, record your video on your phone and then finding a way to send it to maybe your laptop again, you know, a lot of stress. So when I record my videos using the Restream software, I'm able to just, you know, edit it on my laptop and upload it directly to my YouTube. So in other words, I'm saving space on my smartphone. I don't need to bother too much about space. And recording my videos, my long form videos with my laptop, you know, really makes my work very easy, okay? So now you see Restream software is not just for streaming your videos. It can be used for so many things. You can use it to, you know, go live, invite a guest, up to 10 people or 5 people, depending on the subscription you are using. So now the Restream software, you can use it free, or you can also apply for the subscription and pay to unlock more feature, okay? So that's that. Stay with me because the last tool I'm going to be sharing with you is a complete game changer for me. Ever since I discovered this software, oh, I've been so happy because it makes everything so easy and fast for me. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Angela and I'm the face behind this channel, and I bring to you content that will help you grow your channel faster. I share updates, I give you tips, hacks, I share from my experience, everything just to help you succeed here on YouTube. Okay, so now let's dive in. The third app I love to use is CapCut. Okay, CapCut is another tool that is so nice. Now that's the third app now I'm mentioning. CapCut is easy to use. You can use the free version. So if you are a newbie and you are looking for an app that is easy to understand, that can help you edit your video, just the basic, okay? CapCut is something that you should explore. They have nice captions. You have different things that you can add to your video, you know, animated scene and all that, okay? So there are a lot of things you can actually do with CapCut. CapCut is one app that I have been using for years now, okay? If you want to add special things, if you want to cut and join, CapCut is definitely your go-to app, okay? I use it and I feel it's really nice. All right. So the other app I love to use is Pexels. So if you are not familiar with Pexels, Pexels is a website where you can go and download copyright free footages or stock videos and all that. Okay, so I don't know if you are familiar with b-rolls. For example, if you are editing your video on CapCut and you would like to split it and add a b-roll or add a b-roll as an overlay, Pexels is your go-to website, to search for the appropriate video or stock footage you are looking for. The videos in Pexels are usually a few seconds long, which is perfect to use as B on your videos. For those of you who don't know what B-roll is basically a very short few seconds video that appears on your video while you are still talking. Yeah, it's just like to keep your viewers engaged. Okay, it's another way to make people stay glued to your video because you're always coming with different b-rolls. Yeah, it's like maybe you are talking about money and then a b-roll video appears on your screen with dollars popping out. Okay, so these are ways to keep your viewers hooked and make them watch your videos a bit longer. Okay, so Pexels is definitely your go-to app if you want to download copyright free pictures or shorts videos to add to your videos. Okay, so now that was the fourth one. So the fifth app, this app, I recently discovered this app. So a little background story how I found this app. I'm a mother of three. I work, I create content, I do a lot of things. So I'm very, very busy. For a mother of three who is always busy, I don't really find that time to just sit down and be, editing videos like that or do it to the best of my ability. So I started researching because I thought, okay, in this AI world where everything is AI, everything is possible, let me just like find out if there is such an app where I can just upload my video and then the app will just do the whole editing thing for me. So that was my thought. And lo and behold, when I, put this on there in my Google app, lo and behold, I just saw different suggestions. So I decided to try out a few. Okay. So the one that I am using right now, because it was very easy for me to understand how to use it, it's very simple and straightforward. So I decided to go for that. And the name of this app is called Gling. What this app does for you is once you finish recording your video like this, or in my case, let me use myself as an example. Once I finish recording my video using my Restream software, what I am going to do, I go ahead to CapCut, I upload that video to CapCut, and then I do some retouch on my video, then I download it instantly and I upload it to my Gling.ai app. All right. So what does Gling.ai do? Just within a few clicks, you will be able to edit your video, and cut out all the bad takes, all the repeated words, everything in one click. You are able to do it. My goodness. And not just that, once you upload your video, you can suggest, you can even change the background. You can even ask the app to replace your background or edit your background. You can even add captions, right? You can add captions to your video. You can cut bad text. All the pauses automatically are taken away from your video. That is where you will see your video, you start talking straight and smooth. Yeah, without pauses, without repeating the same word like okay. So all these things, I was so happy when I discovered this app because it made my editing time like 10 times faster. As soon as I upload my video to my Gling.ai, I'm just going to select the option, take out bad text, remove pauses, add subtitle. To blow your mind now, you can choose the option to add B-roll. B-rolls, like I explained earlier, you know what it is. Instead of me going down to Pexels to be downloading B, I have everything at just a few clicks because Gling.ai provides all these things for me. The only moment where I have to go back to Pexels is maybe from other B-rolls Gling.ai added to my video automatically. Maybe I want to change something that better fits what I was saying in that particular part of the video. I can now go and do some downloading, upload it there, and add it. So it makes my workload very, very easy and fast. So this Gling.ai, I recommend it for any busy parent out there, for any busy person out there who still want to stay consistent with their content upload and are having challenges with the editing part of it. Okay, Gling.ai is your go-to app. Just very easy surface, nothing too much tech there. Upload your video, choose what you want the app to do for you, and then voila, your video will be ready to download straight to your download file. Okay, and then from there you upload it to your YouTube and your video is ready. So these are the apps that I have been using since. If you are interested in this Gling.ai, let me know in the comment section. All right. And if you want me to do a tutorial on how I use this Gling.ai for you to really see how it works, also let me know in the comments section. If I have up to 10 yeses, I might take my time to create that tutorial so that all of you can learn from it. So these are my top 5 go-to apps that I use. Now, bear in mind, these apps can be used as free version, or you can go ahead to upgrade your usage and just subscribe. Okay, personally, I have subscribed to some of these apps because I am interested in using some of their premium feature. All right, so that's it. So let me know in the comment section which of these tools are you already using and which one is new to you and which one are you going to be trying out soon. Thank you for watching and bye bye for now.